because you think you're so pretty, just because you think you're so hot, just because you think you've got some.
So we have a massive scandal at the bowling alley. Mike Warren thinks that he won, but we're dealing with Pingate here. Pingate. So he didn't actually knock down some of those pins. They fell on accident. Scoreboard.